Hi everyone and welcome back. This is NikkaNadia and we are going to be playing with some Maya and figure 8 drills today. So really getting into our hips nice and juicy, as well as working the waist muscles. So training the obliques and transverse abdominis. Let's begin with our knees bent, finding our belly dance posture, lower back long, lower belly lifted, chest open, arms in second position out at the sides, and let's start with our figure 8s, going front to back. Check that when you do this line of your pants is not going forward and back. It's just staying level. That gives us information about how our pelvis is moving. We want it just shifting side to side as opposed to tilting or tucking and extending forward and back. Keep going. And now let's reverse, bringing it forward. Really stretch. See how flexible and how much space you can get. Wonderful. Now, let's take our arms down at our sides, and we're going to take our hips back, figurating 4 times as the arms float up to 5th position with wrists touching, and then hands float back down as we bring the hips forward. Okay, so it goes like this. We have back, 2, 3, 4, and forward. 2, 3, 4, and back. 2, 3, 4, and forward. 2, 3, 4. I'll show you from behind. We have back. 2, 3, 4, and forward. 2, 3, 4. Continue. Back. 2, 3, 4, and forward. 2, 3, 4. You can switch hips or keep the same hip. Okay, a few more times. Back. 2, 3, 4, and forward. 2, 3, 4. Back. Last time. Wonderful. Now let's play with syncopating. Arms at the sides. We'll go slow, slow, quick, quick, quick. 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 Slow, slow. Once more. And reverse, hips coming forward. One, 2, and a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and a 1, 2, 3. Breathe. Last time, slow, slow, and a quick, quick, quick. Well done. Take a big breath. Now moving to our Mayas. Let's take our hip, warming it up, scoop it out, up and in, out, up and in. Arms out strong at second position. Chest is open. Again, lower back is nice and long as we scoop. over and over. Good. So let's take arms framing the hips. In first position, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Scooping in. 2, 3, 4. Going over. 2, 3, 4. Scooping in. 2, 3, 4. Stay lifted, breathing. 2, 3, 4. Scooping in. 2. Really feel these obliques stretching and working hard. Press. 2, 3, 4. Few more scoop. 2, 3, 4. And press. 2, 3, 4. And scoop. 2, 3, 4. Press. 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. Now let's try putting Mayas and figure eights together. So we'll figure eight back, 2, 3, 4. Maya scoop. 2, 3, 4. Again back. 2, 3, 4. Maya scoop. 2, 3, 4. And back. 3, 4. And a scoop. 2, 3, 4. Once more. Back. 2, 3, 4. And a scoop. 2, 3, 4. Let's reverse it. Hip goes forward. 2, 3, 4. Hips press out and down. 2, 3, 4. Hip goes forward. 2, 3, 4. Hip presses out. 2, 3, 4. Forward. 2, 3, 4. Press out. 2, 3, 4. And forward. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4. Well done. So one more. Now we're going to practice with taking a plie and going down a little bit while we do our figure eights and Mayas. So the way that we want to do this is keep our chest and hips stacked so that we're nice and strong as we lower down. Okay? I'm taking a plie, knees are bent. So we go back, back, down, down, down. 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 The lower you go, you do need to lift your heels, so that's okay. I show you from behind. Back, 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 back. 1, 2, 3. Back, back. 1, 2, 3. You'll start to feel your quads, your thigh muscles working. Back, back. 1, 2, 3. Back, back. 1, 2, 3. Now let's try it with a Maya. Over, over. 1, 2, 3. 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 Over, over. From behind. Few more times. Over, over. 1, 3. Over, over. Over, over. Last time. Good. Well done, you guys. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling warm, awake, and juicy in your hips and belly. So I'll see you guys soon.